Guys, this is Vilnius, and something interesting I saw over here. You know, unique Calimera Greek food. Basically, I've been in Greece, so seeing something like this in Vilnius here in Lithuania is actually amazing. I'm gonna check these restaurants out maybe tomorrow and see if what they present here is similar to what I had over there in Greece. Yeah, so yesterday I spoke about this restaurant. That's the unique Calimera Greek food. Yeah, guys, I'm here today, so I want to see what they have. Yeah. Hello, guy. Yeah, but I think Kalispera is good afternoon, bro. You don't know? Bro, you stayed in Greece for over 6 months and you don't know how to say good afternoon in the Greek language?
I didn't exit Ampasovko 23. I was your neighbor and you were very loud.
Yeah,
So I have souvlaki, pork souvlaki.
and
So it looks like this.
so what do I have? Chicken
You have chicken gyros.
gyros.
Yes.
And I think you made mention of chicken gyros that you bought in Greece.
In Thessaloniki, yeah, it will cost usually like 3.5, 4, maximum 5 euros, you know. It's street food and very fast to eat.
You know, I'm quite surprised that the price is higher than what we have over there in Thessaloniki, Greece.
But of course, it's because here is like restaurant, you know, this like, you know, this like exotic food here, you know, so
I
it will be for
see.
sure. And overall, Lithuania is more expensive, so.
So Lithuania is expensive.
Yes.
Yeah, you can eat your food, man. Sorry, I'm asking too many questions. Yeah, so guys, this is what it looks like. You know, it has some fries, some chicken. Souvlaki was made with pork, right?
Yes,
Pork
pork.
souvlaki. I think they also have chicken souvlaki.
Yeah.
But this is gyros. Gyros.
So that's a gyros. So this is souvlaki.
It's very tasty, bro. Yummy. I like it.
Of course, we waited for 20 minutes.
Yeah, man, the service here is quite poor. Like, to be frank, like, this is not to, you know, downplay someone's business, but we came to this place like 30 minutes ago and we ordered for gyros and souvlaki, and they brought it like, I don't know, they were taking forever to bring our order. I don't know. How much was this?
7 euros 70 cents.
€7.70. But in Greece it is 3.45.
No, 3.5 you can find for 4 euro, 5 euro. But it's much cheaper. But it was 2 years ago, you know.
Yeah. But this is actually not bad. Yeah.
Oh, you're good. I mean, I think there's same ingredients except just
Exactly.
so there's nothing. So if you miss very much Greek food, I think it's place to come, you know.
You know, maybe we would have tried, you know, like something very traditional, soupy.
I miss Greece. Reminds me of Greece.
You immediately finish everything.
I eat fast, man. And I was very hungry.
And you are not, you eat but
But
you are very lanky.
so we got water. Table water was 2 euros. Yeah.
In Greece, one thing I discovered was that when you go out, you know, to eat in some of their restaurants, they give you bread. Like, before you eat, before the meal, you are served like a basket of bread, a mini basket of bread and water. And I think that's quite good because aside the bread, water is supposed to be free, you know.
Yeah.
So guys, you can't get water for free in any restaurants over here in Lithuania. Bro, I'm not sharing.
No, I'm good, bro.
You are not good, bro. On the scale of 1 to 10, like, what are you gonna rate this place, bro?
5.
Why 5?
Because of food was delicious, but service is bad.
Man, you are reviewing as if you are reviewing a paper. Is it because you are a PhD student?
Maybe.
I feel like ordering another. What do you think?
Yeah. You
Bro.
can even make yourself. Just get the pita and just fry the ingredients. Put. It's very simple and
Oh, okay,
you don't need PhD degree for that.
I know, right? Okay, okay, that was cool. I think we can call it a day, right?
Okay.
Okay. So this is
I think it's just Kalimera and quality Greek food is just
to give it some hype.
adjective kind of, this.
Okay. So this is actually Kalimera Greek food restaurant over here in Vilnius city in Lithuania, and I and my friend we came over to have some Greek kind of cuisine, and I think from my friend's review he enjoyed the food and I also enjoyed the food. Eating something over here in Lithuania that we are kind of familiar with over there in Greece is something that is exceptional. It gives you the idea that you can be in New York and you can eat something that is known to Nigerians, and you can also be in Turkey and you eat something that is familiar to the Kazakh, right?
Yeah.
So thank you guys, and that's it. Barakallah.